Hi everyone, I'm William. I'm the current chair for IEEE at UC San Diego. Next slide. And so we stand for the Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, but don't be too scared of all of the E's in there. It's not only for electrical and electronic or electrical engineers. We do accept all members, but next slide. We are an international organization. We have over 400,000 members over nationwide, 39 technical societies, over 160 countries, and we do offer conferences that we can go to, and over 4 million technical documents, as well as 200 top-cited periodicals as well. Next slide. And as I said before, we're not only electrical engineers. All majors are also welcome. So here at UCSD, we also have a lot of events and projects and stuff. Next slide. So what we do here at IEEE at UCSD, we have technical workshops, socials, outreach, professional, and we also have our own project space. How that pyramid thing works is typically people that just come in, they go to technical workshops, get those skills and stuff like that. And then once they get the hang of it, we have our quarterly projects. Our quarterly projects happens every single quarter. Basically, quarter-long hackathon where you can work on a project and a project you want to do under a certain theme, and that way you would get that project experience. I personally have done quarterly projects a few times, and it was really fun for me. We also, later on, once you get even more comfortable with building actual projects, we have our annual projects as well, which are year-long and are a lot more technically advanced. Next slide. So we fund over 300 students projects a year and try to give everything they need to exceed, including mentorships and parts as well. Next slide. So in regards to our annual projects, our first project is Grand Prix, which is basically a line following robot that has depth in controls, embedded systems, and mechanical design. We typically have our competition every year during spring at RoboFest as well. So MicroMouse is the maze-solving autonomous robot. The depths in that would be embedded system, PCB design, and search algorithms. And basically, if you guys haven't seen the pattern, a lot of our annual projects and our competitions are held in spring at RoboFest as well. RoboCup Soccer is our new project we just started last year. Unfortunately, many people didn't get it finished, so maybe this year will be the time that people would be able to finish because of COVID. So it is an autonomous soccer playing robot, multi-agent reinforcement learning, mechanical design, and embedded systems as well. And our last annual project, I think, is Project Drive, which is our autonomous vehicle. It has machine learning and SLAM with LiDAR. Competing in the F110th, and it's not in Berlin. I think it will be virtual this year. And lastly, we have our quarterly projects as well. And as I said before, this is a 10-week team project building experience. Everything is provided, including mentorship, workshops, and funding. Typically, we have it on campus and stuff like that where we give out parts, but for next quarter at least, I don't think we are able to. Yeah. And then for our IEEE events, can you keep pressing like 4 times? Yeah, so we have our outreach, technical, social, and professional events. So our outreach events are, we host once or twice every quarter. You can volunteer for them, and join the committees for all these events as well. For the outreach, you're able to we're giving back to the K through 12 community, hosting competitions, and even helping with the workshops and stuff like that. For technical workshops, as I said before, we are able to give you guys the skills that you need for so that you can transition easily into quarterly projects or even straight into annual projects as well. For social events, we're not only a pre-professional org, but we like to have fun as well. I think because of COVID, we will be having all of our events online for fall quarter at least. And then for professional events, we want to get you guys not only that project experience, but that bridge between the gap, so that you can get your next internship or like resume critique and stuff like that. And here's our socials and stuff like that. Join if you would like. I would say Facebook would be the best bet to stay up to date with our events and stuff as well.
Awesome. Thank you so much.